Hello, how are you? I'm so happy that you landed here. I just wanted to let you know that there are a few things I'd like to share with you about the 28-day money mindset reset. First of all, I'm your guide and your prosperity coach through all of this. My name's Holly Porter, and I have a company called Holly Porter International. And with that, we run lots of multiple streams of income. And that's what I'd love for you. I'm all about multiple streams. I think it's super important. And that's why I created the 28-day money mindset reset. It's just that. It's to help rewire your brain in 28 days so that you can move forward in your life and do bigger and better things than you already have. If you struggle with money, it'll help rewire that. If you want to add new streams of income, it's going to help you think bigger and better about everything. So there are a lot of different things included in this, and I would love to have you and see you. It is hosted on a private Facebook group so that not everybody will see, and you can do it at your own pace for 28 days. You can do it over and over. Hopefully you won't have to, because it is a money mindset reset, right? And you can bring a spouse or a partner in with you, share it with your kids. Like, I'm okay with that. I want abundance for everyone. Everybody deserves that. So let's create that together. And I hope to see you in on the page. Click below and come and join us. If you really just think this is for you, I've kept it super affordable so that it's easy, and it might be a little challenging to commit. About 20 minutes each day is what you'll need to do, because there'll be a few exercises, but it's all explained step by step, and we go through this journey together. And so I hope to see you there, and gosh, to your abundance. Bye for now.